Hi, I'm Ste Hinde and I'm a filmmaker, and this is my tutorial for creator competitions. I'm part of a directing duo called Berlin. We make commercials, documentaries, social content and music videos. We started the business over 3 years ago and we've been growing ever since. Originality is key when creating content. You want your viewer to come to you for a specific reason. Maybe it's the way that you host the videos, maybe it's something that you do within the film, but as long as it identifies who you are and the message you're trying to get across, that's the most important thing. A great example of where I've seen this is with Casey Neistat. He revolutionized the videographer world. When I was coming fresh out of university and DSLRs were the main thing, and that's how people were creating content, this guy came out of nowhere. He was so creative with all of his videos. He broke the rules. He would be doing all sorts of crazy stuff and really having this creative content that just made you want to watch and watch and watch and watch. He taught you how to change the way you think about filming. And that's really important. When you're creating your content, think about how you can change the format, how you can do something different so that people keep viewing your videos. Coming up with ideas is a tricky one. For me, I could be sat on a bus, daydreaming, and I've thought of 4 films I want to make. But the key is, you need to be writing that down. You could be walking down the street, or you could see something on TV, and you come up with an idea, get it down on paper. One thing that's really important is having confidence in your idea. Now, don't worry if you're not a confident person, or if you're not the loudest in the room. This isn't changing your personality overnight. This is you believing in your idea. Remember, you're starting brand new and you now get to set the bar for your creative content. The creative process is always a difficult one. Everyone's got their own way of working, everyone's got their own way of planning. I guess what we do at Berlin is we just go out and do it. We go out and we test if it's gonna work. And we make notes and we come back and we change our idea. And I guess the best thing for you to do is go out on the phone, film your content, bring it back, watch it, analyze it, maybe put it to a test audience and friends and take their notes and just go from there. I hope that's been helpful. Just remember what we've talked about today. When you're coming up with your idea, remember it's all about originality. Come up with something that's going to stand out and that people know who you are. Have confidence in your idea. Don't be afraid to run with the brief and break the rules. And remember, go out and do it. You'll be fine. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to watching your content.